Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Guys, this website, you need to open it right now because they have given you only it is 7th 7th of July today or 6th of July. It is 6th of July today. Okay, and they have given you time till July 15 to update your Express Entry profiles. Now, you know how important it is because if you don't update your Express Entry profile before July 15, your profile may become ineligible. Okay, so this video is extremely crucial. Okay, so it is about how much money you need to settle in Canada. Okay, so basically, this is about the proof of fund. Okay, so the proof of fund is typically changed every year, and this year they just announced it a few hours ago. And last year, if you check the CAC website, last year the requirement was 12,960. Okay, and what today's minimum proof of fund that is required for an applicant for Canadian immigration is 13,213. So that there is about $220 dollars increase for a single applicant. Okay, and if you have two family members, then the previous requirement was 16,135. That's what you must have written in your Express Entry profile. That is in the Express Entry pool right now, but now it has increased to 16,449. And similarly, if you have three members of family, then 20,222. If you have four family members, 24,553. Previously, they had 24,083. Now they have 24,553. So it is about uh, 450 odd dollars increment. Okay. So five family members, 27,847. It was 27,315. So almost 500 something increment. Six family members, 31407. Seven family members, 34967. And for each additional family member, there would be an increment of 3,560 Canadian dollars. Okay, so this is the current proof of fund requirement for Canadian immigration. And if you guys don't know about it, this is basically a typical understanding of what you will be needing to survive when you arrive in Canada. Okay. Now keep in mind if you change your proof of fund in your Express Entry profile, it will only be update to your profile. Okay. It will not change the date and time. So you will keep your rank if you are in a tiebreaker situation, which most people will likely be because of the anticipated high CRS score for FSW. Now, all these things, Canadian immigration is going back to the normal days. They did not increase POF for the first 6 months, but now they have increased it. So it means that their minimum wage has increased, or rather, their economy is in a recovering position, and they keep on increasing this proof of fund in a relation to the current inflation situation. Okay, so go to your Express Entry profile, open your profile right now. Like you do it like this, you just write CIC login. Okay, and this will be your CIC Express Entry profile login, and here you will sign in with your GC key. Okay, so this is how you will sign into your Express Entry profile, in case you didn't know that. So go to the your Express Entry profile right after watching this video and update your proof of fund, if you had not already inserted a figure that was above the current POF requirement. Okay, otherwise you will need to do it. Otherwise, your profile will be ineligible on July 15, 2021. This is Zalif Thakar, and I'm signing off.